Everybody says one thing about resin, keep it away from water. So today I did the exact opposite. And trust me, this got a way weirder than I expected. Normally, resin needs a perfectly dry environment to cure properly. But my brain said,
Mix them.
alright, resin and hardener, perfectly measure, perfectly mix. Everything is going exactly as it should. And that's about to change. Okay, the first few drops. Wait. Why does it look like a spoiled milk already? You know what? Forget small amount. Let's completely ruin this thing. Oh, that looks disgusting. So apparently resin literally hates water. They don't mix together properly, which explain why this is look like alien soup. And somehow it keeps getting worse. But now the real question is, will this thing actually harden or explode my expectations completely? Okay, it's been a 24 hours. Honestly, I thought this would be a completely mess by now, but there is something at the bottom. Let's pour the water out. Okay, the resin is still there and it's actually look cured. That's surprising. It's hard, completely cured. Looked at the color though. It started to crystal clear and it's now completely milky white. That's actually pretty cool. Well, I guess the resin had other plans. What should I mix with the resin next?